Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are safe at home and doing well. Okay. Do you all seeing my video regularly? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I think no one is asking any doubt. I think all are understand that lesson. Okay. Um, Today, last class, what we have seen the lesson 2, the snake and the mirror, who is written the story Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. Okay, so it's a beautiful story. Um, so this is the homeopathy doctor. Okay, he was telling his experience. Okay, um, so one friend is asking one question. What is asking? So is any snake was coiled around any part of your body, what will happen? So there is a group of friends is there. So one friend is asking like that, but no one is replying. Everybody is silent, but these homeopathy doctor was replying that. So he has an experience like that. So he was replying. So we have seen that. Okay, what are the things? So he was in a room, separate room. He was sitting. So he has a chair on the table. In the table, one mirror is there. So he is admiring his beauty, and he was repeatedly telling, I was a bachelor and a doctor. So he was enjoying his life in the rented house. He was a middle class family. Okay, he doesn't have any property. He has only one suitcase. In that suitcase he has some clothes and dhotis and one coat only. So one day he was sitting in front of the table, and he was admiring his beauty, combing his hair, and that time suddenly one snake was fallen from the above roof. And then what happened? Up to that we have seen. Okay, so he was describing, if I shave my face and have mustache like that, it will be very attractive like that. He was admiring his beauty, looking at the mirror. And then what happened? With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front. Page number is 25. Okay, with such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. There was no more sounds above. So first he was hearing the sound. The second time he was not hearing the sound. Suddenly there came a dull thud, if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. So suddenly, if any rubber tube is fallen from the height, how would you feel? That much of effect is in that. Surely nothing to worry about. So even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. So I was little bit fear, and I was turned and I was looking there. No sooner had I turned than a snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. Last class I told you. So finally what came? The snake came, and it was circling his left arm. And then I didn't jump. So I didn't jump. I didn't tremble, not shaking. I didn't cry out. There was no time to do such thing. So if the snake is near me, near our means, we have run out of that. This homeopathy doctor have that has that snake in his left arm. It was circled in his left arm. So he cannot jump, he cannot stumble, he cannot do anything. There was no time to do anything. The snake slithered. What do you mean by slithered? Every meaning in your textbook they have given. Slither means to move like a snake. Slither means to move like a snake. So the snake was moving, okay, along with my shoulder and coiled around my left arm above the elbow. The hood was spread out and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. So it is the face of the snake was directly to the face of the homeopathic doctor. I would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. So I cannot do anything. Okay. So I was holding my breath and I was sitting. Okay. The snake is around his left arm, around his left arm. And then what happened? The hood was spread out and it was only 3 or 4 inches from my face. It would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. I was holding my breath and was sitting. I was turned to stone. So how the stone is without moving anywhere like a stone, I was sitting. But my mind was very active. So I was my bodily I was like a stone, but my mind was very, very active. Who said this? The homeopathic doctor. And then what happened? The door opened into darkness. So last class I told there is no light, electricity in that room. Okay, so it's full of darkness. The door opened into darkness. The room was filled with darkness, so there is no light. In the light of the lamp I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. So there is a light only. He has only the light of the lamp only, and he was sitting like a stone image. I felt then the great presence of the creator of this world, this universe. So he was remembering who? God only. Okay, God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like. If I open my mouth if I say anything, God will not like it. I try in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, oh God. So I cannot speak anything, but in my heart the word block letters was coming. Oh my God. Okay, this block letters was in my heart. There was some pain in my left arm. So the snake is circled in his coiled in his left arm. So there was a pain. It was as if this leaden rod, a rod made of molten fire. So it's like a rod, iron rod, that much of heavy, or slowly but powerfully crushing my arm. So the snake was circling my left arm and it's like crushing my arm. The arm was beginning to be drained all strength. So my full strength was deteriorating, slowly lowered. Okay, what could I do? So the doctor was asking question, what could I do? At my slightest movement, the snake would strike me. So if I move a little, the snake will strike at me. Death lurked 4 inches. Lurked means what? What is the meaning for lurked? Lurk means to wait somewhere secretly. Lurk means to wait somewhere secretly. Okay, secretly he was waiting. Okay, death lurked 4 inches away. So suppose it struck the snake is struck means what was the medicine I had to take? So the doctor was the thought everything, the thought was running in his mind and he was sitting. So if suppose the snake bit him, okay, what medicine I can take? Okay, he was asking by himself. There was no medicine in the room. So the doctor, the homeopathy doctor was telling there was no medicine in the room. I was but a poor, foolish and stupid doctor. So he is scolding himself. What he was telling, I was poor, foolish and stupid doctor. I forgot my danger. And smiled feebly at myself. So he cannot do anything because the snakes were coiled in his left arm. So he was everything he was thinking, okay, this can be like that. He was thinking, the thought was going on. It seemed as if God appreciated that. The snake turned its head. So now only the snake slowly turned its head. It looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. So he was sitting and admiring his beauty, looking at the mirror. The same way the snake also looking at the mirror. This picture they given, beautifully see the picture so that you can understand. So the snake also looking at the mirror. And then what happened? I saw its reflection. I do not claim that it was the first snake that I had ever looked into a mirror. So he was thinking, this is the first snake that was looking at the mirror. Okay, the snake also looking at the mirror. But it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? So the doctor was asking question by himself. Was it admiring his beauty? The snake is admiring his beauty. Was it trying to make an important decision about growing a mustache or using eyeshadow, mascara and wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead? The snake was trying to apply mascara like that. So he was thinking so much of thoughts, okay. And then what happened? I did not know anything for certain. What sex was the snake? So I don't know whether it is a male or female. What sex it has? I will never know. For the snake unwound itself from my arm and slowly slithered into my lap. For that it crept in on the table and moved towards the mirror. Perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection at closer quarters. So the snake want to enjoy the enjoying looking at the mirror or the what reflection it has. It was no mere image cut in granite. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. Okay, I was no mere image cut in granite. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. Still holding my breath, I got up from the chair. So I was still holding my breath. Okay, I am holding my breath. I got up from the chair. I quietly went out through the window. Okay, from there it crept on the table and moved. Okay, the snake was what the snake was doing. It slowly go away from his arm and near the mirror. The snake was going near the mirror. So what happened? He was suddenly got up from the chair and then he quietly went out through the door into the veranda. Okay, veranda means outside the house. From there, I leaped into the yard and ran for all I was worth. So, from the moment the snake was near the mirror, I was ran out of the veranda. Okay, out of the veranda. Each of us heaved a sigh of relief. All of us lit BDs. Somebody asked, Doctor, is your wife very fat? So, this story was hearing by the friends. So, after hearing this story, so all of us was a big relief, okay, because the doctor out of the danger. Understand? So, with this I am stopping this lesson. Very beautiful lesson, interesting lesson. Please read the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through mobile. Until then, be safe at home, study well, okay, and then take care. Assalamu alaikum. We will meet you in next class. Thank you.